Welcome to YAB the Week by Wazobia FM. Hey! My name na Chukwudi, na me be the chief Yabist In Charge. Every time we go use laugh mouth discuss the problem we dey face for inside this country, but we go use our sense reason the matter because when e reach this our country, even though the thing dey turn us for belle, but we dey laugh small small. We go use our sense so that we go move this country forward. Sibi yatimu, niro ọ̀nà tó máa gbà o.
Una see say I lie down, start this one. Now beg, I won't beg una. Una know why I won't beg una? This our country, Nigeria. Now country where we say, no allow wetin politicians they do deceive you. If you think say politicians they fight themselves, now yourself you they do. I say make I start with say I beg una because you feel they support one person, make your brother they support another person, make your sister they support another person. Una can't get family problem because they don't support who they support or you don't support who they support. Not try am because politicians them they know they get issue. Anywhere when their interest they then go find the thing go. Politicians they carry their bread go where person go give them butter. Make I give una this example. Shey una know say the week before this one, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu he go visit Olusegun Obasanjo. This week now, he carry waka go visit Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. The same Goodluck when they say he no get good luck. Now in the come carry go in house, go visit am. Una see say politicians, when he consign them, then go settle. You when you dey fight your brother, fight your sister because if they support another person or you go vote for another person, now yourself you dey do. He who have ears, let them hear.
Una know say for the first story I been lie down beg una say no fight with anybody because you dey support one politician and the person dey support another person. Look the example of APC now. The same people when they use mouth to condemn, finish them, destroy them. They go meet those people now. They tell those people say, can you come and support us? We have plans for Nigeria. Why some people they try patch things and make amends? The major opposition party inside Nigeria, PDP, those ones they use their own mouth to finish themselves. PDP chairman, iyorchia, he come out and say, I was elected to be chairman of PDP for a period of 4 years. I have not done anything. I will not step down. Una know say Wike they talk say make him step down. Wike don't answer him. Wike and in live band. For where Wike go do inauguration for inside the Ikwere local government. Now so Wike live band begin to sing Tiena Ogbara, Tiena Ogbara, Tiena Ogbara, Tiena Ogbara. Eze Jesus, Tiena Ogbara, Tiena Ogbara. That song means say put them inside problem, put them inside problem, put them inside wahala, put them inside wahala. Oh Lord my God, put them inside wahala. Eh? Inside the own party. Wike live band they sing say may God put them inside wahala.
Oh my God, what have they done to you? What have they done to you?
If your party no win election, how you go be? Shouldn't I say you dey work with other people or you dey work against your people? Are you for your people or against your people? The reason why I won't give this example now because I say as then they expose themselves now, they open their butu for inside public. Now so politicians they do when they reach to settle, then go settle. You when don't break your head for them, no problem. Una know say Wike talk am. Say this iyorchia you when they claim say I am a founding father of the party. This same iyorchia you in 2007 he run comot, he abandoned PDP, he go join AC that time. Now he come they talk say I am a founding member of the party. He say no fit talk say I am a founding member of the party because he abandoned the party. Those wey stay to build the party. Now those ones now they go call themselves big boys for the party. Say how you when come and they talk say all the people against me they are children. Say children now. Then go show papa problem. In fact, he call you prodigal father. Now only prodigal son I know. I don't know which one be prodigal father. But that's what politicians they do. If you do anyhow, they go drag you. If they do anyhow, you drag them. All of them don't turn to generator. Then they drag themselves. Anybody when go school inside of Obodo Nigeria go know this song when I want sing. Parents, listen to your children. We are the leaders of tomorrow. Try to pay our school fees and give us sound education. I know some people go to look say, why my matching get K-leg? Now because education inside Nigeria don't get K-leg. The thing no straight again. Today will be September 2nd. Oh no, today no be September 2nd. Yesterday, September 2nd, 2022. Make them 200 days since ASUU don't dey on strike. Which country be that one? Where we say children when supposed day school, day house for 200 days. Government no serious. ASUU no serious. The students themselves, they're not serious. Because if they're serious, they go down march. Go tell government to do the needful. They go down march. Go tell ASUU to do the needful. Them then they house. ASUU they house. Government they house. Government children they obodo ibo. They collect education. Hey! Nigeria education don't get K-leg. I make when they match like this. Oh boy. This thing, I don't the old though.
You are tired. You are here. What have you done? Useless. Me with my pregnancy, I'm better than you.
Nigeria.
Top to bottom.
We no go agree make the country go from top to bottom. But this particular problem, now big issue when we carry this country from top to bottom. UNESCO, una sabi UNESCO now. United Nations Educational and Scientific and Cultural Organization. They don't come out and talk say 20.02 million Nigerian children they out of school. This one means say 20.02 million Nigerian children when suppose they school, they learn how to read and write or they learn handwork, they know they do anyone. What's it going to happen to the future of this country? Why children when suppose they school, no they school? If I say this 20 million when I call, I don't know what 20 million be. Sure you know say you get some countries for inside this Africa. Some countries when they this Africa when no reach 20 million. Go check them now. Go check them. Senegal. How many there be for Senegal? How many there be for Liberia? How many there be for Congo? How many there be for Libya? And they call countries where you fit go check. The population of the full country, the whole country, they not reach 20 million. And we, for inside this our country, we get 20 million children when no day school. Hey, government, hey, God, oh. Una come they wonder which people they turn kidnapper, which people they turn terrorists, which people they turn insurgents, which people they turn bandits. When una get army of young people, when we say they don't go school. If you don't invest in human capital, how you think say the person go take survive? Government. This is a time bomb waiting to explode. We are sitting on a keg of gunpowder. If we don't address this problem, boom, explosion all over country. How God go bless us with people when we say get sense? How God go bless us with all the resources and we know they use and well to make this our country great? Shame suppose they catch our leaders. Shame suppose they catch una. Una think say na only to take care of our own children, na only to take care of ourselves, and then you can't get 20 million children when no day school. Some people don't even come and talk say if you come from Nigeria, if you talk 20 million, the thing be like saying 40 million because we they use knife cut our own numbers. Shame they catch me. 200 days children when supposed to school they house. 20 million children they out of school. Shame they catch me. Shame they catch me. In fact, I want if I see anybody when they go me, I feel not down. I feel not you. By the end of this month, campaigns go start. I beg at all level, whether that who want become president, who want become governor, who want represent us for the National Assembly or the State Houses of Assembly, or those who want go Senate, shine your eyes, scrutinize the people, ask them important question. That 5K when negotiate give you, where you go collect, go vote in nonsense and ingredients. That 5K not even reach to buy ingredients to cook concussion rice. So I beg, this is not the time for us to use our sense, open our eyes, and put the right people inside government. Most importantly, like I talk, politicians they about their interest. Ask yourself, what will be your interest as Nigerian? You go like make your children go better school, abi? You go like sleep inside your house when you dey safe. You go like make you get better job, and you go like make the money when dey your pocket be something where we say you feel spend them, and you go know say you dey spend money. This na the time to rescue our country. 2023 na very very important year. Now here I go carry waka comot on top of YAB the week. Now so we dey do am every week on Wazobia FM. My name na Chukwudi. Now me be the chief Yabist In Charge. As we dey use laugh mouth to dey discuss Nigeria matter, use your sense. Bye.